In today's class, we will be learning the topic, meat. Meat is the muscle derived from animals after slaughtering them. Meat is made of bundles of muscles fibers. Each separate fiber contains water, protein, numerous salts and extractive. The fibers are joined together and connected to the bones of the animals by connective tissues and are connected to bones by tendons. Nutritive value of meat. Proteins. The major nutrient found in meat is protein. The protein found in meat is of high quality because it is rich in all the essential amino acids in the proportions required and can readily be absorbed and used by the body. Vitamins. Meat is also a valuable source of B-complex vitamins. The fatty meat like pork is also rich in vitamins A and D. Minerals element. Meat is rich in mineral elements little sulfur, calcium and phosphorus. Fat. This is embedded in the connective tissues between the fibers. Meat such as pork, ham and bacon has much higher fat value and consequently have lower protein than lean meat. Water. The percentage of water varies according to the type of meat, but all contain some water. Methods of cooking meat. There are many methods of cooking meat. Boiling, frying, stewing, roasting, steaming. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.